Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy, and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hi everyone. Welcome to J&J English Cafe. I am John.
And I am Judy. It is so great to be here with you today.
Judy, I have a big problem. I went to a movie yesterday. The ticket was $10.
Oh, that sounds like a fun weekend activity. What was the problem?
Well, the movie was so boring. It was terrible. I wanted to leave after 20 minutes.
Did you leave?
No, I did not. I stayed for 2 hours because I paid $10 for the ticket. I did not want to waste my money.
Oh, John, I understand that feeling, but you actually lost two things yesterday. You lost your $10 and you also lost 2 hours of your time.
Wait, what do you mean?
This is a perfect example of a sunk cost. Sunk cost means money or time you already spent. You cannot get it back.
It is gone forever?
Exactly. The $10 is gone. It does not matter if you stay or leave, but your time is still yours. If you leave, you can do something happy. If you stay, you feel bad for 2 hours.
Wow, that makes sense. So, the $10 is a sunk cost. I cannot change it.
Yes, we often make this mistake. We think about the past, not the future.
Can you give me another example? I want to make sure I really understand.
Sure, think about food. You go to a restaurant and buy a big cake. It is very expensive. You eat half of it, and your stomach is full. You feel sick. Do you finish the cake?
Well, it was expensive. I should probably eat it all.
But if you eat it all, your stomach hurts more. The money for the cake is already gone. Eating more cake only makes your day worse.
Oh, I see. My stomach is more important than the money I already spent.
Yes, your health and your time in the future are the most important things.
This happens in business too, right?
It happens everywhere. Sometimes a company spends a lot of money on a bad project. They know the project is bad, but they keep spending money because they already spent millions.
That sounds like a very big trap.
It is. People call it the sunk cost fallacy. It is a trap in our brains.
How can we stop this? How do we avoid the trap?
When you need to choose, do not look back. Only look forward. Ask yourself a simple question. What is the best thing for me right now?
Right now. So yesterday does not matter.
Exactly. The past is in the past. Focus on your time and happiness today.
This is a great lesson, Judy. Next time I watch a boring movie, I will just walk out.
That is the spirit, John. Your time is too beautiful to waste.
Thank you, Judy. And thanks to all our listeners. See you next time at the cafe.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.